finna hit the Atlanta airport. Finna hit the airport. Finna get Larry. Finna get Doodle real quick. It's gonna be a pretty busy weekend, pretty productive weekend. But it's all for the grind though. It's September 2nd, I believe. Yeah, it's September 2nd. We're 5 days away from my birthday. And shit. I'm excited.
Yo.
What up?
You know I be doing it, chasing shit, but call me. What you doing?
Huh?
I said, what you doing? You picking up him first or me? I'm like, you know I'm gonna be chasing shit, call me.
I'm picking up Larry.
Alright, so she, I can finish me in Charlotte right quick, right?
Yeah, I'm 30 minutes from Larry.
Alright.
Bet, watch that ass.
Huh?
Yeah.
And he's with his boo. He forgot to mention. After 2 months.
You just told him that? Yeah. See, I keep seeing people there, bro. Today's Friday.
I mean, they might do something else at the church, but
I'm ready for the grind. Big shoot happening today. Big scenes happening today. I wish I had another cam. What? I got Larry cam. Yes, sir, nigga. Real work this weekend, nigga. Look at his ass, man. Yes, sir. Damn, that shit might not be able to fit. That's a big. Look at this shit. That's a big ass motherfucking suitcase, nigga. Damn.
Hey man, I'm staying for a month, man.
Shit. Damn. That boy got the whole load in this motherfucker, man.
Staying for a month, man. What's going on? What's up, brother?
Hi.
How you doing?
No world.
What's going on?
Hey, don't start this. Come on.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I need to go to the dollar store, bro.
Why?
I need deodorant. Unless you got deodorant, I use yours.
Nah, I can smell it, bro.
No, shut up. No, you can't. No, you can't.
I can smell
no,
it.
you can't. No, you can't.
Appreciate you now.
Alright, bro. What's up, man?
I need some deodorant, bro.
Nah, that is. I can smell that shit.
No, you can't, bro. Stop lying. No, you can't.
Come on, bro. I know.
No, you can't, bro. I actually smell good, but I just feel like I'm about to start getting lusty.
Nah, yeah.
Like, you know how you can feel it?
It already started, my brother.
No, it didn't.
It already started, man. How you forget deodorant, bro? That lets you know where your head is at.
Nah, I thought I brought it though. I brought my toothbrush and everything. Hey man, it's been like what, 2 months?
No, nigga. It's been since March, nigga.
3 months?
I mean, I seen you in May, but you ain't come over since March.
Yeah.
Come over since March, bro. That boy got a fat ass suitcase, bro.
Yeah. You know I'm indecisive. I be getting like different. I don't be knowing what I want to wear, bro.
Yeah, boy.
I see some shirts back here though.
Yep. Keep a few on hand just in case a nigga want to buy them off me while I'm in the whip.
Damn, she been gone like that ass, bro. I ain't see your ass in forever. Oh, my bad.
Hey, motherfucker hanging out with them motherfucking girls and shit forever.
Oh, you talking about me? I have been, man. Yes.
That boy did it, man. Hey, man, we in this motherfucker, man.
So we filming video today, man. What's up, man?
Bro,
we
filming.
Let his kid shoot tonight, man.
Tonight for what?
A dorm vid.
What idea you got? You talking about dorm vid? What's the idea?
My idea is I'm just trying to have a group, a settle. You know, I'm talking to someone. He's trying to throw something. He gotta come through. I know he gonna come through. It's Friday. Mara invited me. He got a little kickback, but it's girls only. I just need to be there. The energy I gotta.
What are you gonna do though?
I gotta see the energy.
You said Mar?
Yeah, Mar. You don't know his ass. Yeah, no, he a college student, bro. He a college student, bro. But shit, I just know I missed the first one. I was like, damn. I said that whole day, man.
You said it's a kickback?
It's some, bro, but it's white. It's like it ain't no Georgia State shit, bro. Like
that's cool though. That's
you know what I'm saying. I can finesse some shit. You know. But I got the two, you know, common ass.
So where you gonna post it?
ones.
What channel you gonna put this on?
My second one.
So what you gonna montage clips? What you risen up? What you doing?
Huh?
What are you risen up? Montage clips or what's it?
Oh no, y'all risen up, yeah, risen up, goddamn. But shit,
Yeah.
me?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah,
You vlogging
yeah.
on the new channel? Yo, I need a cameraman, bro.
Bro, I already got that emote. See, he in my
Who the
business.
cameraman?
I got Smooth. I've been talking to Smooth. The light skinned nigga.
Who talking about the tall nigga?
Yeah,
The skinny as fuck nigga?
yeah. He ain't no dummy though. He ain't no random to no camera, you know. So shit,
Hold on.
I just gotta be chopping up.
Gotta handle business watch this shit. My boy,
Yo,
what's going on, player?
hold on, I'm on the phone.
Alright.
What's up, bro? What you got going?
Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I need to line up.
Damn, bro. Why are your customers fucking with you this weekend, man?
One of them weekends.
Bruh, keep it 100, bruh. You think any of them niggas gonna flake?
Nah. When you trying to get cut?
I ain't gonna lie, bruh. I'm trying to get cut tomorrow morning. Like I was, you know, Saturdays, bro. I usually try to be like your first client.
Shit, I ain't gonna cut. The morning been brought up. Nigga brought this appointment when he got out the chair last week or the week before that for tomorrow morning. Then it's another nigga birthday after that.
That's what I'm saying. My birthday. This shit for my birthday, man. Damn.
When your birthday?
My birthday on the 7th, but I'm filming a video for my birthday tomorrow that I'm gonna post on my birthday. So it gotta look like it is my birthday.
Hey, John. Well,
And I was about to book, and the only slot you had was when I'm doing it. Is when I'm doing the video.
what time you doing the video?
3 o'clock, and you had it at like 1. You had it like 1:30 and 4 o'clock, and that's like you already gonna take damn near 2 hours to cut my head, and then you know.
Yeah. I was like,
And
say,
then
I
that
just,
bitch for
Huh?
I see, like, when I got a break,
this
I
nigga
see,
towel
like,
face treatment.
move somebody back,
This nigga get
and then shit, I throw you in, but it's not there.
Alright, it's alright for sure. It's no pressure, but yeah, if you can, that should be lit. I come in first or shit. Or wait, what time do you meet open? 10 o'clock, right?
Yeah, you know.
Weekend ain't going at 9. I come in at 9.
You coming at 9?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Damn. Well shit, yeah. If I can get in like, you know, between those 9 to 10 range,
I be mad.
10:30, it'd be blessing, man.
Well, I doubt you.
I go to a normal
like
like
that
25
thing.
and watch
Bro,
it
bought
15
that 10 inches
I
first.
watch
You
my
really
nigga
trying to get cut.
Oh, okay.
But if I can move a 9 o'clock appointment, I'll let you know it's here all the
35.
45.
For sure, bro.
45?
For sure, yeah.
But yeah, if I,
You must do a lot
I'ma
of
see
this.
if I can move around there, and I can
Oh yeah, you got it.
For sure, bro. Yeah, let me know, bro. I appreciate it.
You got something weird.
All right, bro.
Shit for me, bro, ball on my side. Give me out the tree.
Hey, Duda.
Huh?
Hold on. You
I gave you that key.
yeah. How much would you sell your camera for right now?
Who camera?
Your camera.
How much they is online?
Oh, that camera? Show you.
Yeah, that EOS a motherfucker, but I see a lot of Atlanta niggas getting that bitch. I don't know why.
Cause it's ass, bro.
A lot of niggas got it though. It can't be ass, bro.
It's the.
No, don't do that.
It's
no,
the beginner?
No.
No, nigga.
Canon G7X is the beginner. Man.
No, Canon G7X is for the hoes. Canon M50 is the beginner for the niggas.
No.
Yes,
bro.
nigga.
Why we have this
G7X is
argument
definitely for the
all
hoes.
the
Cause
time?
nigga, I literally told the
How the
nigga.
fuck a G7X is for the hoes?
It is.
No.
My girl got G7X.
So?
G7X for the
That don't, bro.
No, you're not a hoe.
That
No,
camera
no.
gay as hell.
No.
Niggas not.
No, Larry. Larry.
That shit like a tweaky. Yeah.
Real YouTube nigga, that the camera was popping 2018, 19.
I know.
No, it
Every nigga
wasn't.
we watching
Nah,
had
it
that
was
shit.
popping.
On God.
How what?
The G7X.
Oh yeah. But it's for the
Come on,
hoes now.
No. Oh, now,
2022,
yeah, now,
2022.
yeah.
And M50s.
M50 took G7X.
Yes, that's what I just said.
No,
that's what I
no,
just
he
said.
did not. We
That's
would
what I
know.
just said.
Bro,
Dude, I
wait,
just said it.
No.
I can't use this shit, bro. It's Cannot use that motherfucker. Weather changed in motherfucking 5 minutes.
5 minutes. So we was filming the video. So now you know,
Go this way.
You know?
We'll go get something to eat.
calm down.
I mean, we can still do yards because we can do yards inside.
At least we got the first part.
Yeah. I just can't use the other angle. Damn, bro.
I'm saying though, you can do the other angle, like you know what I'm saying, another day.
I got dropped on my birthday. I feel it. I ain't gonna have no one.
It's not. You
I ain't gonna have no one to help though. We're trying to eat Chick-fil-A. You good with that? Huh? 10-piece chicken nuggets? McDonald's. 10-piece chicken nugget do sound good though.
Bro, I want to see the sandwich.
Can't go wrong with that.
What's gonna fill you up more? Yeah. So are you saying McDonald's? So are you saying McDonald's gonna fill you up more? You're trying to eat McDonald's?
Alright, 3, 2. Damn, Bella can't watch me like that. Yo, chill out, yo. Alright. Let me call this man real quick. Hold on. Let me call this nigga real quick, man. This nigga birthday. Hey, man, happy birthday, my boy. Hell yeah, man. You still having that little fling today? You was telling me about? Yes, bro. The fling you was telling me about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Figure what out. And so where you gonna have it at? All right. Yo, that's no. I ain't looking. Yeah. I cut him off.
Did what I did. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist doing. I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
Cause I just peeped that my bags is not paid for yet.
Why you put that shit?
Then you about to hit somebody. All right, so boom, I just peeped that my bag's not paid for. So I'm gonna cash at one of y'all. It's $30, and I gotta use y'all debit card. Like y'all gotta do it through my phone or online, whatever. And I just gotta pay for the bag so I can get through TSA, whatever the case may be. So my brother.
Why you say someone cash
Wait,
up?
does
Nah, I'm cash apping with one of
do
you.
they not take Apple Pay?
I don't think so. No.
Oh.
So either that or I can stay a couple more days with Damien. But that means I'll be sacrificing $200 more to pay for another flight. To get home. I don't want to do that right now.
Bro, we supposed to talk about this before we leave. We already here.
I know, but I ain't think though, cause I just got on my phone now. I was like, oh, I can pay online. I was like, ooh, I can pay online. I ain't know that. I'm thinking I gotta do it straight at the desk.
You just pay online then.
Yeah. So is that possible if I can cash out one of y'all? That'd be cool.
You don't got Zelle?
No.
Hell no, everybody got Zelle, bro.
Nah, but the money is on the cash app. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's nice.
I can't send money through out my bank account because it's frozen right now. So I gotta use straight cash app, bro. Hey, YD. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga think he think we on a DDG vlog, nigga.
Hold on, see, I want to give her a hug right here. Look right here. I give her a hug right here.
Do it.
Watch this. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, your suitcase.
I got it.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
Bro, she did not fuck with him. She did not fuck with him, bro.